Here we are at VeriForm. We're in our welding bays. We've got 5 welding bays here. And what you can see is here we've got one of our German welding tables. We have a total of 5 German welding tables, Bluco Daimler series. And this allows us to set up different structures without having to build jigs and fixtures. And the beauty of this system is this. With this, you can set it up quickly. You can use the different features here. We've got different angle brackets, different limits to put in. So for example, that bar there has limits down here for proper locations. Here you've got this part here supported and centered. Then you can see here, this is quite a consistently accurate 90-degree setup here, extremely solid. And then with that, you can get repeatability. So you have different welded frames here, all these welded frames here, ready for production, going into the full trailer design. And then you can see the trailers being rotated here in a simple setup. Here, tables are used for quality control as well because they're extremely flat. And then finally, you can see tables bolted together for longer structures with clamps that easily are put into the table. So there you go. With cranes available too, the staff can do larger parts here, and our cranes are up to 10-ton cranes here for heavy lifting. That's 10 metric tons. All right, there you go. Thank you.